stop whatever you're doing. You're about to witness the most outrageous, most excessive, and most unapologetically overbuilt Rolls-Royce SUV on the planet. This is the $600,000 carbon fiber monster known as the Urban Automotive Cullinan Series II. And guess what? It's coming to American streets, and it's not here to play nice. You thought Rolls-Royce was about elegance? About quiet wealth? About riding in the back seat with classical music playing in the background? Think again. Urban Automotive just threw all that out the window and dropped the hammer with a wide-body Cullinan that looks like it could storm Area 51, all while sipping champagne in the back. This isn't just a facelift. It's a full-on transformation. A carbon fiber front bumper, two-piece front splitter, fender flares wide enough to need their own ZIP code, sill extensions, rear diffuser, dual spoilers, and yes, 24-inch forged Urban-Vossen wheels that look like they were designed by a spaceship engineer. This thing doesn't roll up, it invades. Now, Urban didn't touch the beast under the hood, but that's because they didn't need to. The Cullinan Series II Black Badge already packs a twin-turbo 6.7-liter V12 that punches out 591 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. That's right. This rolling fortress has more torque than a Ferrari 812 Superfast, and it weighs 3 tons. But here's the twist. Despite the madness, Urban insists it's all built to what they call OEM Plus standards. That means it looks factory fresh, but with way more aggression. The vertical DRLs practically scrape the pavement. The bumper intake bars match the stock grille with obsessive detail. It's like Rolls-Royce, but possessed by a racing demon. And now, here comes the bombshell. Urban Automotive just opened shop in Phoenix, Arizona. That's right. This British tuning beast is officially setting up base in the land of muscle cars, freeways, and excess. No more long waits, no more importing. Soon, you'll be able to spec your carbon Cullinan right here in the US of A. So if you've got $600,000 burning a hole in your wallet and a taste for carbon fiber chaos, this is your dream ride. The Urban Cullinan Series II isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a rolling contradiction. Elegance wrapped in aggression, tradition wrapped in rebellion. And when it rolls by, heads won't just turn, jaws will hit the floor.